Down outdoors here. Today we are going to be pressure washing this D140 John Deere lawnmower. So first thing you want to do with the pressure washer is you want to make sure that your fuel thing is on. Okay, it is on. Then you want to put your choke on. You always want to make sure your throttle right here is down. So I won't be able to talk to you for a little bit, so you might have to just hang with me. I'll talk to you after. Okay, ready? Starting up. Pause you. How do you think it looks, guys? I think it looks pretty good. There's a big difference, you can tell. This engine in that battery is really dirty. So is under there. If you guys don't know what a pressure washer is, we got this one. It just pressurizes water to make it go faster. And how you do it, you turn that on, that switch on right here. And your choke's right here, this little gray thing. This is your throttle. And that's your fuel. If you want your fuel off, turn right there, right there. Your air filter's right here. Your gas tank's right there. This is what actually pressurizes it right here. You can put soap in this little nozzle right here. Then your pressurized hose hooks on right there. Your hose hook's down there. If you guys think I did a good job on this, please like and subscribe. And I'll be bringing you more mowing videos later. Okay guys, hope you liked it. See you later.